So let's get into asset protection. So setting up your business name can definitely be related to your asset protection. It doesn't have to be, like Steve was talking about. Your names, your DBAs can be very specific to what you're holding inside of them, but that doesn't have to be the one that's out there for people to see. So some of the advantages in general of asset protection, no matter where you hold them and what you name them, is that there are tax advantages, there is protection. So there's a little bit of a shield that comes between you and your assets when you're using actual entities like the LLCs, the corporations, or the trusts. And then protection from lawsuits, that's a very important thing. Now, I'm not going to say it happens very often. You may never end up in court, even being in real estate, which is a fairly litigious kind of business to own compared to others. But none of them are going to cover you from illegal activities. So if you do criminal activity inside of your entity, I don't care what people tell you, you're not exempt from any of those consequences of that. So just know that up front. But it can shield you from honest problems. Like, let's say that you had a loss inside of a partnership and the partner decided to sue you. If it was something inside of that, that's a different thing that then should not, if you've set it up correctly and run it correctly, be able to come over into your personal assets. They might get to sue you for everything inside of that entity, but not come and get your let's say, personal house and your car and stuff that you own if you don't have it in something else. Let's just say you kept it in your own name. They should not be able to come after those. Now, there's never a 100% rule on this. I'm just going to tell you guys, I have an amazing insurance agent. She's been in the business forever and ever and ever. And she told me, look, Chris, if there's anything that your kids do, and let's say that they were out driving and they were driving drunk and they killed somebody, I'm not going to tell you you can ever have enough insurance that they won't come after everything that you have and maybe get it all. So it would be very situational, and I think that that is a very small, slim chance that somebody could come and get everything that you own, but it is possible. So what we're teaching is ways to become more protected